Greetings of the day. Welcome you all to your biology class. We'll continue our chapter Components of Food. And today it's our part 3. We'll discuss the following topics: water, roughage, and deficiency disease. You know, water is very important for our survival. Our body composes of 70% of water. Water helps in proper digestion as well as it avoids constipation. That's why it is advised to drink lots of water. Let's discuss roughage fibers. These are of no nutritional value, yet they, along with water, are very important since they avoid constipation and helps in the proper digestion of food. These are also called dietary fibers as they maintain diet. Now, some examples of roughage fibers are given over here: fruits, vegetables, nuts, and barley. Now, the roughage fibers that are present in the fruits, those fruits are raspberries, pear with skin, apple with skin, banana, orange, strawberries, dried figs, and raisins. We should eat these fruits so that we can get sufficient amount of roughage fibers. Some vegetables that contain roughage fiber are artichoke, green peas, broccoli, turnip greens, Brussels sprouts, sweet corn, potato with skin, tomato paste, carrots. These fruits and vegetables provide a lot of roughage fiber which avoid constipation and helps in digestion. Let's discuss deficiency disease. These diseases are caused due to the deficiency of some of the important vitamins in our diet. Some vitamins in our diet are vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin E. Their deficiency leads to deficiency diseases. Deficiency disease first is night blindness. The cause is due to deficiency of vitamin A. The symptoms of this disease is we are unable to see clearly in dim light or at night, and the food that we should eat is green leafy vegetables. You can see that how our eyes see the blur image at night. It is said that a healthy appetite leads to a healthy vision, so we should eat such foods that help in curing our eyesight, like green vegetables, fish, carrots, avocados, etc. Deficiency disease 2 is beriberi, and it is caused by deficiency of vitamin B. The symptoms include excessive weakening of body muscles and the loss of appetite, and it can be cured by food like chicken, milk, meat, etc. Deficiency disease 3 is scurvy. It is caused by deficiency of vitamin C. The symptoms is bleeding gums, and the curing food is citrus fruits like lemon, mango, etc. Deficiency disease 4 is rickets. It is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. The symptoms include bent legs due to soft bones. It can be cured by food like chicken, meat, milk, fish, and sun. Sun can provide directly vitamin D. Now, deficiency disease number 5 is dry skin, which is caused by deficiency of vitamin E. The symptoms include dry lesions on skin, and the curing food which we should eat is olives, kiwi, avocado, oil, and spinach. These all can avoid the dry skin. Students, a balanced diet includes all of these vitamins and all of the roughage fibers in a proper amount which our body needs. If we do not have a balanced diet, we cannot be healthy. There might be some other deficiency disease or any other disorder that can be caused due to deficiency of some of the other nutrient, vitamin, or mineral. We should also drink lots of water so that we can keep our body healthy. That's all for the day, students. Thank you and have a nice day.